Hey guys, I'm Sean Calloway and I'm the product development manager here at Anzo USA. And today we're going to be installing our new LED taillights on the 19 to 21 Silverados. So we've got a couple options here available right now. These are going to be available in black with the clear lens like this one. And then this is black with the smoke lens. And then we also have a red version available too as well. That looks a little bit closer to like a OE style, but with our full styling in it. So if you take a closer look here, we have our running lights, we have our brake lights, along with turn signals, and then we also have our reverse lights. And over here on the side, we've got our reflector. Now on the back side, what differs both of these, essentially they're the same. So we've got the main connector, which is the same for both models. And then we've got the other connector here, as well as here. We've got our mounting tabs, our fender locator bolts, and then the biggest difference is the style of resistor that we use. So this one right here is going to be for your halogen version. It has these bigger resistors here, versus the LED version will have this single small inverter right here that will correct the resistance level for the OEM LED system. So let's go ahead and take off the old ones and put on our new ones. Okay, so removing the taillights is super simple. So we'll start by opening our tailgate here, and we've got two T15 screws right here on the inside channel that we'll remove. Okay, so now we've got these two bolts right here out, and all we're going to do is grab the taillight like this, just kind of move it back and forth. We can remove it from the vehicle. Now on the back side, you'll have to twist out the reverse bulb and disconnect this lower harness right here, which is just a plug-in. It's got a nice little red tab on it that locks. And now we've removed the stock tail light. So the next thing we're gonna have to do is remove the harness. We do provide a harness, so we're gonna remove this one to replace it with ours. So we'll start by unplugging this up here. Right there, and then now we'll go underneath the vehicle and remove that part of the harness too as well. Okay, so we've disconnected our OEM harness, and now we're ready to run our new harness down and install our tail light. So all we're gonna do is just run this part down this pocket right here. It'll pop out at the bottom of the vehicle. And then this part of the harness, we're going to plug right here into the bed light, just like that. We'll slide this resistor right in here, throw this bed in here, line these up. Make sure both your pins line up. Just like that. Now we can put the screws back in and connect the harness on the bottom of the vehicle, and we'll be able to check out what these look like.